till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great amazing studio tour. Well, this is a studio tour 3.0. If you don't know about it, guys, we started it from the beginning, and this is something which is so great, and I'm kind of like so inspired with what we are making, that kind of move into that kind of peak, which is so great. So to my own kind of aspect, I'm just trying to welcome you guys for what we had and what we are looking for on the future. So I think something which is so great about the studio tour is just that you're gonna see what we did, some upgrade here and there. You remember, guys, on the first video I said about the microphone. I got the microphone. So this is a microphone. I purchased it online so as I can just fix some sound on that kind of sound system and pick. So as you can see, I got double of them. I got two of them. I got this one for the other bad boy, which I can clip it on the microphone, and these ones, there are two clipping on the smartphone. Other kind of stuff. If you check out the table was first wood. Right from where I got this table, and I was like thinking, should I just leave it like a normal table whereby it just look like a wood type, which I find it to my own kind of aspect, it's so nice. But on the other way, I was just finding some stickers in town one day for my laptop for customization. If you guys remember, we dropped a video for customizing it, like Deep Brand, how they do it. So I purchased the sticker. It was like almost like 3 meters to 4 meters. It was freaking long. So after getting it, I came back home and I was thinking like, dang, what if I just skin the table? Well, I skinned it with the blue and black for the mouse. Now I thought that why should I just get a mouse pad? For what reason? Now I was thinking, what type of material could just help out so as I can use it for the mouse. So as you can see, this is my mouse, the Logitech one, but I'm thinking about getting that Mix 2. Logitech Mix 2 sounds to be so nice. So another kind of stuff, I use it for the desktop here. So it seems to be so naive. Another kind of stuff which I think to my own kind of aspect, and you guys are gonna love it, is just that I made a lot of stickers at the background, as you can see, guys, and it really feels that kind of authentic at the background. I just thought that leaving it as the wood, and you guys, you're gonna just keep that kind of touch here and there, so I kept it vibrant by giving that kind of sticker. Another kind of stuff, I did a setup of speakers. First of all, I have one for the setup here for another kind of bad boy. Now let me just turn that on. If you guys remember the smaller mini speaker, just check it out. You hear her? Now we're gonna just try it. Yeah. Hey Google, play music on Spotify. Okay, you want me to open the Spotify app by my own, so it seems to be so great, and we can just play some music here. You can see it's so naive what the speaker works, that I just gotta pair this speaker here, and there's another speaker somewhere there. Now check this out. The other speaker somewhere there, how it communicates with the phone. Now I just pair the whole ecosystem of Bluetooth inside my room. Now you can just play it here. Now I got devices list. As you can see, guys, there's something like devices list showing up on my list here. So it's something which is so great. Got it. I can listen to this speaker here, and I can even control that speaker on okay, listen now, later. So I find this kind of ecosystem, I can just change it ASAP. So they can play all of them together on the same ecosystem. Okay, I hope some of you guys got that ASAP. So let me just keep it low-key, that's somewhere there. So another kind of stuff, it is some upgrade, is the Bluetooth earbuds. This doesn't seem like a big upgrade, but this sounds to be so great, since, you know, sometimes you get problem with earphones and stuff like that, so I did some upgrade on these ones, which I find these bad boys are so great. Another kind of stuff, I did some upgrades on VR, virtual reality. I just keep it there. If I want to test out anything about virtual reality, I just grab it and test it ASAP. Another kind of stuff which you did a good upgrade is the microphone. Now I love the microphone, which I can do a podcast out of it. It gives you those kind of smooth kind of touches here and there on the sound. And as soon as possible, some of you guys are going to check out some podcasts I'm going to drop in, and I'll get some good feedbacks out of it. That's a notification, so my fault. So another kind of stuff, right from the bat, I did some upgrade on this bad boy here. Now you may ask yourself, what's this? Well, this one helps you to hit your cup. Whenever you're doing a certain workflow, just need to connect this bad boy on your computer, and this bad boy gonna hit a lot, and it's gonna keep your cup in a good position. Now I was thinking about upgrade on that, and something which suited me up greatly. Another kind of stuff, we did an upgrade of camera. Now it is from 2 cameras. I just got some 2 cameras, which is something which is great. I got the Sony, which is I'm shooting here right now, and I got the other bad boys, which means it's Lumix. Now we got 2 cameras in the house, which they give us good combination. The Sony shoots video at 1080p 60 frames, which to my own kind of aspect, I'm happy for that. Another kind of stuff, the Lumix shoots 4K up to 50 frames per second, which I find it's so legitimate. So to my own kind of aspect, this is something which is so great in our arsenal, not my arsenal, in our arsenal. So this is something which is so epic, and I'm looking forward to some upgrade. So that's the simple upgrade of our Studio 3.0. Some of you guys, if you remember about the LED I was controlling with my remote here, there's a problem with it down there, so I tried buying the other connector for the LED, so it's gonna be working as crispy as how it was. So thank you guys for watching. You love this studio tour of today. I hope some of you guys gonna hit the thumbs up, and some of you guys, if you're new here, my name is Abdulrahim12, and I hope you're gonna subscribe and you're gonna turn on that kind of notification bell. So yeah, so as any kind of new upcoming video, you're gonna see it ASAP. So thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and I'm gonna check you guys on the next one. And peace.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on